Listen to these things. Look at that. Whoa! This is like duck Valhalla. Look at these.
You ever see a black duck? Here's black?
Oh, what? A black duck isn't allowed in the river?
They just have no
You
clue.
sicken me. You sicken me.
That's the way I was raised.
Oh, so only this pure white specimen of a bird should be allowed to walk on the water? Yeah, look at them. They're like singing. Wonder how close I could get to him. Hey. Do you think it'll let me pet it? It's alright. It's alright. Okay. Look at they all can't get in the water. It's all frozen.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, a bunch of them.
I didn't realize that the ducks with the green on their head, like it's really metallic, shiny
Oh yeah,
green.
it is like a metal flake green.
Yeah. You guys, other ones are pretty.
White goose walking on water. He doesn't give a shit. It's like making the other ducks leave. It's like, yeah. See how big my neck is? It's quite cylindrical.
You see the black and white one?
Where? Oh yeah.
Right there. He's got his head.
There he is.
That's the only one like that. Oh wait, there's another duck that's kind of similar.
Oh, duck fight. Duck fight. Oh no. Rival factions. Oh.
Oh, is he eating duck shit?
Yeah.
He's like following him around.
I don't even know what to film. There's so much shit going on. God, I'm so sorry. I swear so much. Okay, that's enough of that. Look at them all.
Hi guys.